Number 9 is also asking us whether the system has one solution, infinitely many solutions, or no solution. So we need to put these both in slope-intercept form first. Okay, so the first equation is 20 equals 11y plus 5x. We need to subtract 5x from both sides. We'll have 20 minus 5x equals 11y. Divide everything by 11, and we'll get y equals 20 over 11 minus 5 over 11x. And that's my first equation. So we have, for the second, 5x plus 11y equals 19. Subtract 5x from both sides, you'll get 11y equals 19 minus 5x. Divide everything by 11, you'll get y equals 19 over 11 minus 5 over 11x. Now notice both the slopes are the same, but the y-intercepts are different. That means these are parallel lines. Parallel lines have no solution because there is no intersection point. They don't intersect. Okay, number 10, we have a rectangle being shown that has a perimeter of 134 centimeters and an area given. Its length is 7 more than 4 times its width. Write and solve a system of equations to find the dimensions of the rectangle. Okay, so let's take a look. Okay, so first thing we need to do is establish the formula for perimeter. The perimeter has a formula of 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Remember, in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So we have 2 lengths that are the same and 2 widths that are the same measure. And now they have a total. Our perimeter given is 134 centimeters. Now we're told the length is 7 more than 4 times its width. Now L is going to be length. In math, is means equals. And now we have 7 more than 4 times its width. So 4 times the width is 4w, and then 7 more than that is plus 7. So now what we need to do is take that equation, L equals 4w plus 7, and substitute it in for L in the first one. So we take the L out and replace it with 4w plus 7. We distribute the 2 and we get 8w plus 14 plus 2w equals 134. Combine my like terms, I have 10w plus 14 equals 134. Subtract 14 from both sides, I'll have 10w equals 120. Divide both sides by 10, and w equals 12, so my width is 12. To find the length, we can substitute it back in for this equation. So we take out the w, and we have 4 times 12 is 48. 48 plus 7 is 55. Okay, so my length is 55, and my width is 12. And if I multiply the two of those together, I do get an area of 660, so that's a way to check it. That is correct. Okay, number 11. A pyrotechnician plans for 2 fireworks to explode together at the same height in air. They travel at speeds shown below. Firework B is launched 0.25 seconds before firework A. How many seconds after firework B launches will both fireworks explode? So let's see. So first, let's establish some variables. Let's make A represent the number of seconds after firework A is launched before both fireworks explode. B is going to equal the number of seconds after firework B is launched before they both explode. Now, we're told firework B is launched 0.25 seconds before firework A. We can reword that and say that firework A is launched 0.25 seconds after firework B. So writing our equation in terms of A equals firework B minus 0.25 seconds because firework A is launched 0.25 seconds after firework B. Okay, for my second equation, we gotta remember that distance equals rate times the time. Now for firework A, the rate or the speed is going to be 340 feet per second. Our time, we don't know, it's A, so we can have 340 times A to give you the distance of, or the height of the firework for firework A. Same for B, 220B. 220 is the rate or the speed for firework B, and the letter B represents the time, the number of seconds when they both explode. We want these to be the same because we need to figure out when they both will explode at the same time, so we set them equal to each other. So now we have both of our equations. So now we could take our first equation that's solved for A and replace it with A in the second one. We could substitute it in. So we can take A out and replace it with B minus 0.25. We distribute 340 and we get 340 times 0.25 and we get 85. Subtract 340 from both sides, we get negative 85 equals negative 120b. Divide both sides by negative 120, we'll end up with a decimal, and it says to round it to the nearest hundredths place, or it should say the two decimal places, which is the hundredths place. So we have 0.71. Let's see what it says. So 0.71 seconds is correct. So that's number 11.